Good morning everyone from the streets in town. I'm trying to photograph a thing that it's always been there, but I only noticed or I only paid full attention lately, and is that here in this town, as you can see, most of the buildings and houses have no windows on the sides. They have windows in the front facing the street or the road, or in the back facing the backyard, but most of them don't have any windows on the sides. And the reason is, I believe, because by law you can't open a window within 10 feet of someone else's property. Most pieces of land here are very narrow. What most people end up doing is to max out on the width. Otherwise, if you have to leave 10 feet on each side of your property, you'll end up having a very narrow house. So what they do is they max out on the width and they install those little holes with little glass bricks, I guess they are. They don't let you see through, but they let some light through, so that's allowed by the law. That makes for very interesting architecture. It's kind of ugly, but I think it's a very interesting thing to document, to photograph. I've been taking a few photos in the last couple of weeks with my digital cameras, but today I'm out here with my Bronica because I wanted some of those images on film for this project. So I loaded some retro 400S this morning and I'm out here. It's starting to rain quite a bit, so I'm gonna need to get my umbrella out. I'm gonna show you some footage of the Bronica in action and the images that I make with it, and afterwards I'm gonna show you the images that I've made with my digital cameras as well for this project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.